So let's talk about ensuring quality control and making sure that there's responsibility and reliability on what we do. So when I took over the company, I had changed a lot of things on how things were operated. What I like to do is make sure that there's documentation, there's backup for our homeowners. So not only do they get a copy of the contract, which is required by law, but we actually have our project managers, which each site does have a project manager. Each site has a job foreman. Safety is very important to us. And then what we do is we make sure that every job is photographed. So the guys have their checklist, their OSHA compliance for the morning, make sure that they go through with the materials. They have a to-do list in the morning, and then not to mention, every single project is photographed through the morning and through the day. Everything is time-stamped and geotagged to the site, so I could see in live time any one of my projects. I could go back, everything is in our CRM, so we actually have constant supervision on the site, but documentation of it as well. So let's say Mr. and Mrs. Jones aren't home for the day, and they got the roof done and we needed a couple of sheets of plywood. Those things are photographed and we can share those with the homeowner and collaborate with them if they'd like. Like I said, we will also register all of the homeowners warranties. It's really important for there to be accountability and for a homeowner to see, because a lot of the times we're doing a roof and the roof gets covered up the same day. So to be able to know what was underneath the roof, did the guys use the cap fasteners that are required on the underlayments that we put down? Did they put the drip edges in it properly, which are required by code? These are all things that we want to make sure are done and done right. So we make sure that that quality control stays in place, and we make sure that we have the photo backup for it for our homeowners in the case that they ever want to see them.